This is a 2025 3LZ Z06 Coupe. Hello everybody, once again I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I got another Z06 for you. Now I will put an addendum out before I get into this. This one just arrived, hadn't even been cleaned yet. It came in mostly clean. I had to do a little bit of wipe down, but again, if you see any imperfections or something dirty, I promise you by the time this makes it to our inventory process, it will be fully detailed. And again, I wanted to get this one in because check it out. This is a 2025 3LZ Z06 Coupe, black on black, tech bronze wheels, and just, I mean, come on, it's a Batmobile. Look at that. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. So let's start breaking it down. So carbon flash badge package, obviously normal carbon flash exterior accents. It's black. You can always tell a 24 or newer by the collision alert camera node up there by the rear view mirror from the glass. And then of course the wheels, tech bronze. These are the spider wheels. And of course, tech bronze doesn't this bring back memories of when the C8 came out. They had the bronze 5-spoke wheels. And of course, these made it very well if you happen to get either the Zeus bronze or the caffeine colored cars. But I think they look really good on the black, and the contrast is real nice. We got the black lug nuts and the black calipers. We got the J56 Brembo brakes. Made it to a set of Pilot Sport 4S run flat tires. We got the carbon flash painted carbon fiber paint, carbon flash painted side skirts. The Z06 badging in carbon flash. And then we have the Stage 2 wicker bill spoiler here. This, of course, is also the body color spoiler with the carbon flash wickers. Hard to tell it because, again, they all look black. But, again, these are carbon flash. That is black. Carbon flash scroll. We have the stainless tipped MPP multi-mode exhaust. And, of course, this being a coupe, we're going to go ahead and pop her open. She's bone stock. We have our FE6 magnetic select ride. And, of course, our hand-built LT6 5.5-liter V8 with 670 horsepower. And shout out to Renee Daniels there at Bowling Green for hand assembling this beautiful motor. Cargo space here, room for 2 medium-sized golf bags or the Targa top if you want to go part-time topless. We also still have our cargo nets and pouches still in the plastic. Now, of course, I did that with the remote start. When you press and hold that button, you can stop the remote start. You can do 2 remote starts per physical start of the car. Onto the interior, so we have our beautiful jet black Napa leather, Bose 14-speaker premium sound system, heads-up display, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We have the carbon fiber leather rack steering wheel. As you make our way around, we have the MyLink infotainment system with Apple CarPlay Android Auto compatibility. We have the front lift with memory there as well. We, of course, got a beautiful GT2 bucket seats with the light gray stitching, heated ventilator with lumbar side bolster. And we also got the microfiber suede upper trim package, including in the Targa top insert with gray stitching. All right, for the front, anything 24 or newer, just 1, 2 on the remote. It'll pop, you hear the beep. Once that does, it releases it. Pop it open. We've got space for a full-size carry-on or a couple soft bags as well, depending on how you want to stack it in there, Tetris style. Battery sits underneath here. Brake fluid, washer fluid. And again, this is anything 24 or newer. Grab from here. Sole close feature. This 2025 Z06 has 2,600 miles. We got it priced at $121,995. So the rehash, 3LZ, tech bronze wheels. It's all stock. It's got the Stage 2 wicker bill spoilers, front lift with memory. If you are interested in this gorgeous, beautiful Batmobile supercar or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see your info up in the corner, down in the description below. Again, on the website, you can refer back to the Carfax and see a copy of the original window sticker. You want to see your original details and MSRP. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. When you're down there in the comments, tell me what you think and hit the thumbs up and hype button. And as always, I really appreciate you all. And again, Z06s are the hot ticket right now. The last several that we have filmed on this channel have already sold. So are you going to be the next one? I like to see it. So again, thank you for taking the time watching the video. I'll see you on the next video.